Welcome to my channel. Brother HL-L2460DW Wi-Fi setup connection issues solved. Step 1. Turn on your Brother printer. Start by plugging in your Brother HL-L2460DW and pressing the power button. Wait until the printer finishes starting up and the display is ready. Make sure there are no error messages before moving to the next step. Step 2. Place the printer near your router. Keep the printer close to your Wi-Fi router during setup. A stronger signal makes the connection process faster and reduces the chance of setup errors. Step 3. Open the wireless setup menu. On the printer's control panel, press Menu, then go to Network and choose Setup Wizard. The printer will search for available wireless networks automatically. Step 4. Select your Wi-Fi network. When the list of Wi-Fi networks appears, select your home or office network, SSID. Double-check that you choose the correct network if you have both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Step 5. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Use the printer buttons to type your Wi-Fi password carefully. Passwords are case-sensitive, so make sure every letter, number, and symbol is entered correctly. Press OK to connect. Step 6. Confirm the connection. Wait for the printer to display a connected or connection OK message. If the connection fails, verify the password and try again. Restarting the router can also help if the printer cannot find the network. Step 7. Install the Brother printer driver. On your Windows PC or Mac, download and install the latest Brother printer driver and software. During installation, choose wireless network connection so the computer can detect the printer automatically. Step 8. Print a test page. After installation is complete, print a test page from your computer. If the page prints successfully, your printer is connected correctly and ready to use. Step 9. Fix common Wi-Fi connection problems. If the printer appears offline or disconnects frequently, restart the printer and your Wi-Fi router. Make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Move the printer closer to the router if the signal is weak. Update the printer firmware and computer drivers if available. Step 10. Reset network settings if needed. If nothing works, reset the printer's network settings and perform the Wi-Fi setup again. A fresh wireless setup often fixes connection issues caused by incorrect settings or previous network information. Thanks for watching.